Good morning to everyone. Very excited to be part of Alex Fashion because it's always been a very good brand right from the beginning of when the brand started, and I've always been associated with Alex Fashion, and I've seen the journey right throughout, like how it started and to how it's growing, and the designs are incredibly very good. The models, the jewelry, everything. So very excited to be part of the show. So as an MC, that's an added excitement which I have. So looking forward to it definitely. Thank you, everyone.
ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಜ್ಯೂರೀಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ವಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮೇಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ಹಲೋ ಸರ್.
Hi, very excited to be part of Alex Fashion. I've seen the brand growing from how it was. Elinda, you know, the brand has grown very much, and you could see a lot of participants. And season 2 is going to be incredible, very well, because the first season itself was a blockbuster. So I'm excited to be part of this. Okay. Definitely.
So you are a crew member in this Alex team, or you are the part of the jury team?
I started as a crew member. I've done coordinating work for Alex. I've always been part of Alex Fashion, and today he's given me an opportunity to be an MC. So I'm glad that he's given me the opportunity. I'll definitely do in my best, and I'm very excited to be part of this brand.
Yeah. So we have two MCs at the same time, and one is me and one is him. So MC interviewing another MC. So it is nice. So sir, you have done this modeling shows, MCs and all. What is the difficult job of an MC in a show like this, live event, any event?
See, MC has to be very spontaneous ಇರಬೇಕು. ಏನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ how do you have to get it out?
Yes.
Modeling is different. Modeling is something you just compose or you act for what the director says, but MCing is a very different thing. Your communication skill has to be really good. You need to interact audience ತರ ನೀವು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ದಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಫುಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ MCing or something, but yes, it's all good to learn and do it well for the brand.
So apart from MCing, what do you do?
Apart from MC, I'm a full-time model and an actor, and just a struggler and just struggling and trying my feet up. And you never know where this industry takes you, but I'm happy what I'm doing right now.
Okay, so as he told, it is a struggling and he is doing, but I guessed he is a model actually. So sir, you have a suggestion for the guys who are trying to come, because for the girls we had the juries giving the introduction and all. So as a guy to become an actor or a model, so what do you think is required?
See, for those youngsters who are listening to this, it's a very simple thing. Don't put your mind so much into it. I understand this is a very difficult industry when you want to put your foot in, but at the same time you need to have something as your backup, because when you see during the lockdown when there was no work, you saw that when there's no work, it definitely hits your mind, right? So all I'm saying is take it as you take it slowly. Try to know what this industry is about, try to know what modeling is about, and don't put a lot of stress on your head. You get it, you don't get it, you don't get it. Just that you have to keep trying in life.
Yes. So keep trying until you succeed. That's a tagline. So thank you so much sir for your time. Thank you
so much. Nice talking to you.